this fast-paced world, don't you love to feel more relaxed, calm, peaceful, and most importantly, elegant? If so, today's video is just for you. Today, I'm so excited to share with you 5 skills to master to live life elegantly. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otokucha Life. I am Mana and on this channel, we learn how to be more beautiful, elegant and healthy from the inside out. If you love to learn more about true beauty, elegant and healthy tips, please subscribe and join our best community. I missed you my beautiful friend. Especially in this season, I am focusing on more couture for being a couturier, so the videos will be not uploaded once in a week like before, but I am focusing on creating more high quality content, so please stay excited. And also, please always feel free to reach out to me directly by email or a chat. I always enjoy and love to talk with you. And let's grow the best community together. Today, I am so excited to share with you 5 skills to master to live life elegantly. This is also what I learned during my couturier weeks, which is very applicable for living elegant life. So now let's get started. If you're like me, someone who has so many things they want to do in life, you might say, Mana, slow down? Yes, slow down. Being rushed or in a hurry is something we learned as we grow up. Nature and wild animals never rush. Especially when you start your day, take a deep breath. If you tend to hurry to get things done, let's slow down. Even when working, talking, writing, typing, or anything else, the more you slow down, the less mistake you make, the less noise you create, and the more precise you become, all of which leads to more elegance in life. Just by starting to believe and remember that we have plenty of time on this planet, it will lead you to a peaceful state and elegant feeling. This is the secret behind haute couture as well. High quality precision with beautiful details takes time. Every beautiful details in a garment is the result of slowing down and taking time. It's a skill worth mastering. Let's be more like turtles. In this fast-paced digital world, if you are not mindful, everything will grab your attention. However, just like step number 1, take time for yourself and focus only on what's important in your life. You can always ask yourself, what do I truly want in my life? What kind of life do I dream of? Focus only on what truly matters to you. In sewing, a design must come first. Before the pattern, before the fabric, life is the same. Know what you want and how you want to design your life. Then you can make a plan accordingly and bring your vision to life. Trust in yourself and the universe, God, divine, or whatever you call it. It is a must-have mindset for elegant life. We all had faith when we were little, but just like rushing, we somehow learned not to trust ourselves through school, culture, or society as we grow up. Now it's the perfect time to uncondition yourself and bring back your trust. Trust you can do it. Trust you can be it. Trust everything that you love and desire. An amazing example that I would love to share with you here is that I had this design note and I realized that I knew I was going to make it someday, then I made it. When you trust life, you naturally feel at peace, and that's true elegance. If you love to learn how to trust yourself more, this video is just for you. And also stay until the end because I will be talking about a special gift to help you become your own best friend. Life is about being in the present moment and enjoying the process until we make our vision into real life. But how often do we truly experience it? For example, when you eat, how often do you truly connect with your meals and have a deep conversations with loved ones? And of course, without touching your phone. With digital tools, we are constantly thinking about the next thing, but always take a deep breath and just be in the present moment. Don't think about the past or future. Love what you're doing right now. This is what makes life feel beautiful and elegant. Elegance is all about truly savoring each moment. For the sewing, of course, wearing the beautiful finished garment is the true pleasure, but enjoying the sewing is the best feeling as well. The last step is to embrace the practice. We all get good at anything with practice, which is actually so magical. Elegant mindset is also practice. Mastering any skill, whether it's couturier, pâtissier, working with poise, or speaking with elegance, everything improves with practice. There's beauty in dedicating yourself to something. Choose something you want to master and commit to practicing a little every day. Over time, it will become effortless. What do you want to master in your life? Or what do you want to practice to be more beautiful and healthy? Please let me know in the comments. Even when you are alone at home, dress up for yourself. Use the fine china. Wear your favorite outfit. Life is precious, it's a one-time offer. Also, the elegance isn't just about the looks, it's about how you feel. When you embody your best self, inside out, magic happens. I recently created the Goddess Life Guidebook. With this workbook, you can truly create your own life manual to understand everything about your true self. It includes a daily journal to bring more beauty, love, and elegance into your life, plus 6 special videos to guide you step by step to fill out all the journal prompts. I think it has more than 200 questions to truly discover and remember who you are. Currently, it's only a digital version, which you can get it from my website or Thinkific. It's the same thing. And I recently printed it out to see how it looks, and it looks so beautiful. And I would love to give away 3 digital versions of this workbook because I love this community so much. All you need to do is first subscribe to this channel, and second, share this channel with your friends, and third, please send me an email answering 3 questions. which are how did you find me, like any keywords, and what has been your favorite topic or videos, and what kind of contents would you love to see or have more of. Then after you've done this workbook, please leave a review on my website. That's all you need. I hope you enjoyed today's video as well. What was your biggest takeaway from this video? Thank you so much for always being this beautiful community, and I am so excited to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Until next time, stay happy, elegant, and healthy. Have an amazing day, my goddess friend.